Hello everyone! On this video, we'll show you how to download free music and sound effect without copyright. But before that, let's have a commercial. First, open the YouTube. Open your channel. And then go to YouTube Studio. After the YouTube Studio, go to Audio Library. Okay, so now you can choose any music here. All the music here is free. Look at that, there's a lot of news. Yes, you can choose anyone you like, and you have to test it before you download. Like this one. There's a lot of music here that you can choose. Like this one. So I like this one, so I'm going to download this one. Go to download. Click this download, and then you can choose where you put the music. I'm going to put it on the desktop. So, over here, desktop, and then save it. So now you can go to desktop if you want to use it. And then there's sound effects here. Same thing what you did. So here there's a lot of sound effects. Same thing what you did on the music. You can test it before you download it. Here is the download. And then when you finish, just click this one to return on your YouTube Studio. So that's it. We're done.